Hello everyone, this is TomekD from the Coin Dictionary, and welcome in my sort of coin vlog video. I'll be going and will be unboxing a package, to be exact. I know that this is something new for the channel, but I think, but I hope you will enjoy this type of content. This is sort of an experiment. Yeah. So I have won some coins from one of the channels I follow. The channel is called Zakapir.pl. I'll be of course leaving the link in the description. You should note that this channel is only in Polish, so unless you speak it, I don't really think you understand much from it. But yeah, I am still thankful he sent me some coins. So yeah, the giveaway, he said that he's sending the winners one Austrian silver Corona, but also some coins from the communist era, Polish coins of our choosing. So I don't know really which ones are in here. I've chosen some commemoratives, but I don't know how many and which ones. So yeah, we'll be checking that out. Also, I'm opening this with my pocket knife, which I literally found on the street one day. That's a fact. I hope it will do the job nicely. I'm not showing you the other side of this package, since it has all the shipping addresses and other stuff. Not the best way of opening. That's why I don't receive a lot of packages, so yeah. So what did he send me? Nice. Other than this, as you can see, there only some piece of cardboard to keep the package. Nice. Oof. I don't see commemoratives here. But yeah, I enjoy multiple types of coins. And for my collection, I get mostly only those found in circulation. So yeah, let's start with the silver Corona. I have one, but a Hungarian one. This is Austrian. Let me zoom in at this. Yeah, this camera doesn't want to cooperate with me well. 1895. Nice. I don't know the mintage or value of this coin. I suspect this is some sort of junk silver, but I'm 100% okay with that. Also, I didn't have this coin previously. I've only had a Hungarian one, as I said. I can see 20 złotych with Marcelino Vodko. I have several of these. Oh, there's a second coin with it. Which year is it? 1974. Okay, that's a common date. The rarest is 1983, if you wanted to know. And some later 20 złotych from 1987. You can see right here that how the inflation which was happening at the time impacted coins. I'll be making some videos about that in the future, but we had some really serious inflation back in the 80s and 90s, and coins lost basically all of their value, and it was corrected only after the communist era hell. This is a classic 1 zloty. Everyone here knows this coin, 1988. Normal thing, ever in really nice shape. 50 groszy, this must be older. I can tell this is older since the at some point the mint switched to this design of the eagle as opposed to some other types. All coins were unified to have this one. And yeah, 1974. Nice. And the last mini package is going to be a really nice 10 złotych, 1998. That's some nice condition. And wow, I didn't see ever 5 złotych, because this is 5 złotych, in this good of shape before. This is definitely going to upgrade the piece I have in my collection. 1986. Great. I am not counting the value for these coins since it is really low. These coins are extremely common and can be sold literally a few dollars per kilogram. This is how little they are worth. But I absolutely don't care. I care more for variety than value. Obviously, the most interesting of these is this 1 korona. I didn't have this. All the others I've had, but in some cases in much more circulated conditions, so I am really thankful for that. I'm also planning on cleaning this insanely rusted coin I found today. This is 5 groszy. The year is a complete mystery, like, look at this. Also, before you will start panicking that I'm planning to clean a coin, this is just a regular coin from circulation. Even if it is the rarest date, it is still going to be worth face value, so don't panic. I am going to make this video in the future, so yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in possible next coin vlogs. Bye.